Oh, hello. Come on in, I wasn't expecting company. I just was cutting some soap. This is our new soap studio. Have a look around. This is where we have all of our curing products. You're getting a sneak peek at some of our future collections here on this shelf, so don't tell anyone. Over on this side we have some of our raw ingredients. You'll see all of our oils for our soaps, all of our powdered ingredients for our shampoo and conditioner bombs, our bath bombs, all of that kind of stuff. And then if you want to follow me, we have our market setup. This is just one setup. We have just restarted doing markets for the 2025 season, so this is a pretty light setup, but once we get in the full swing of things, we will be full up on space. Now we're in the actual kind of production area, also the kitchen. We have our prep table here. Normally we have this rolling cart over here as well, over there as well. But we are, as you can see, slicing some soap, part of our essentials collection. So I'll do that for you all in a minute. Up here we have just a sampling of our candle fragrances, our essential oil fragrance blends, and then up on the top there we have our collections, our fragrance oils for our collection that we have all the time. So we have our morning wood fragrance oil, we have some yuzu fragrance oil as well. This is just a small sampling. We have more upstairs, so you'll see that in a minute. We then have our trusty KitchenAid over in the corner there that gets pulled out for any puck-based products. So our shampoo bars, our shower fizzers, our bath bombs, all that good stuff. It just got an upgrade with a new paddle, so she is excited and ready for the market season. And then it wouldn't be a cribs tour without showing our refrigerator. This is really fancy here. We have all of our adult beverages, and we have kimbap from Costco, and that's pretty much it. This is just a fridge for cooling products mainly, and then extra drinks just in case we need them. But if you wanted to follow me along, I'll cut some soap for you all so you can see what that looks like. And like I said, this is part of our essentials collection. This one's Lumberjack. It should look pretty familiar if you are a returning customer or a returning viewer. We also have some Pleather Daddy over there. And then we have a new soap that I will cut here next, and it is part of our collaboration with Ronald Records, which if you all live in the Vancouver area and need records or cassette tapes, or I think they have CDs, they're your place to go. Also, they carry a signature candle that we make just for them and for us called Vinyl Vibes. And this is the Vinyl Vibes soap that we are testing out potentially for them to carry in their store, and then we will also carry it. But let's slice this up and see what it turns out like. And there is our Vinyl Vibes soap, which matches the Ronald Records Vinyl Vibe candle that we have in their store in downtown Vancouver. if you wanted to follow me, we're gonna head upstairs next. And then we have our additional fragrance oils here. This is all of our experimental fragrances. We have our Candle Science fragrance testers. We have some seasonal fragrances as well, but we have quite a lot of fragrance oils just in general. And then over in our little closet here, we have most of our photo props for when we take product photos. We also have some display stuff for our market setups as well. Not a ton of exciting things in there, but extra storage is always good. And then you'll have to pardon the echo, but this is our photo studio. So we have our photo table, we have some of our backdrops, some of our table tops as well set up, just to make it nice and easy. Previously we would have to rush around the house to get all of our photo stuff and set it up on the dining table. And then on this side is Zac's home base here. This is the shipping studio. So whenever you order a product from us and it gets shipped out, it comes here first. We also print out all of our own labels on this gigantic printer that we did just have to purchase. That's why there is a dead printer over on that table there, because it decided to give up the ghost. This is the bath bomb drying studio, the shower fizz drying studio as well. The lighting's not the best in here, so pardon that. And then we also have some finished products on this shelf, as well as all of our bags and things like that. We have some beard oils, which are running low, so we'll have to restock that soon. And then we also have our shampoo and conditioner bars and all that kind of fun stuff as well. This is the room that has the biggest potential for growth, but it's all right to have a little bit of space to move into. And then we have the closet where all of our air conditioners live, but that's not super exciting either. All right, and we have one final area we can tour, and that is our home office. So we have our shipping office, but then in our actual house, we have my editing bay here for editing all of the videos, all of the photos, all of that kind of stuff. This previously was the room that all of our products were in, all of our raw ingredients were in. It's like a 10 by 10 room. It is maybe a little bigger than that, but it is not a very large space. And then Zac got his piano back set up and also his Dungeons and Dragons set up, because he plays that online. So we actually got a little extra space for work and for fun things. But that is the final little bonus area of the tour. I also have my Lego collection over in the corner, and then our super gay, super fun bulletin board of all of our holiday cards that we've done. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to visit our website, rainbrocrafts.com, to see all of our latest and greatest products, or come see us at the Vancouver Farmers Market every single weekend next to Esther Short Park. Thanks. Bye. If you want to get soaps, candles, or bath bombs each and every month from us, check out our subscriber program linked in the description box below. We'll give you shout outs, extra RainBro bucks, birthday points, all those fun things. Again, that's linked in our description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell icon so you can get notified when we come out with new videos. Thanks. Bye.